Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Kibat. Today, let's explore the wild beauty of Assam, a land where nature and life walk hand in hand. Do you know how Assam protects its one-horned rhinos, elephants, and so many amazing creatures? Let's find together. Assam, a land of rivers, forests, and amazing wildlife. From the one-horned rhinos of Kaziranga to the wild elephants of Manas, Assam is home to some of the rarest animals on earth. But with growing human activity and deforestation, these species face many threats. That is why Assam has taken strong steps to protect its wildlife through national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and community awareness programs. Kaziranga, Manas, and Pobitora are not just tourist spots, they are symbols of conservation success. Every effort made here helps protect biodiversity and keeps nature in balance, because saving wildlife means saving life itself. Friends, this was Knowledge Kibat. To get more knowledge, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.